Hello, friends. Welcome back, Tech Turtles. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the incredible potential of artificial intelligence. In particular, we'll be diving into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced AI tool developed by OpenAI. So grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Before we delve into ChatGPT, let's establish a foundation of what artificial intelligence is. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem-solve like humans. ChatGPT is an advanced language model based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It has been trained on a massive amount of data to understand and generate human-like text responses. ChatGPT has numerous applications across various industries. Let's explore a few examples. Customer support, content creation, education, and personal assistance. Thank you all for joining us today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.